380. Okay, still okay. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Wow!
What was that?
That was it coming by your head that fast.
I was thinking it will hit me.
It did. It did.
Yeah.
It didn't. Did it touch you?
No.
Oh, I thought it was like really close.
No.
I'm not sure if I caught it in the video, but that was close. You were trying to chop your own hair.
Wow. Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay. This is how I crashed bad last time, because it was just hard to see which way was front. I'm like, which way am I facing?
Did you have your goggles on?
No, I didn't have my goggles on. Why am I doing it again? Let me not do what I crashed with again.